Hi there, and welcome to the very first edition of Let's Ask Lenny. I'm Lenny Brooks, Vice President of Business Operations and partner here at SourceOne, your local go-to property restoration company. I've spent the last 7 years helping people in our community recover from property damage caused by fire, water, mold, and biohazard-related issues. During that time, I've been asked a ton of questions about the restoration business. In this series, I'll be sharing the answers to those questions with you so that you can make informed decisions when and if damage occurs to your property. Some of the topics I'll be covering include: when should I file an insurance claim? What should I do when I have a flood in my home? How do I know if I have a mold problem in my home? And why should I work with a professional restoration company? So stay tuned and be on the lookout for the next edition of Let's Ask Lenny. Oh, and by the way, if you have a question you'd like answered, please put it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a great day.